Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe. So today I'm using my sister's cookbook from the Pear Pantry Show. She has her YouTube channel as well, and you could go ahead and get her book from here. And what I'm using today is the recipe for flour tortilla. I normally don't eat carbs, and if I do carb cycling, and I normally don't eat breakfast carbs for sure. But whenever I smell tortilla or fried jack blazing made, I forget it, I'm done. So these are the supplies that I'm using: organic flour, butter, organic milk, and the only thing I didn't have was the organic baking powder. But everything in the book, I think did only for 2 cups, and I doubled it because I wanted, more for the next day. And I wanted actually more also for lunch to make like a quesadilla, but it didn't last. So this is the butter that I'm using. I don't use shortening, or I don't use shortening / lard. I'm not doing it. And you might say, well, butter, you're not any better, but it's a lot better than shortening or lard. So don't even try to go there. And whenever I cook, I try to cook as healthy as possible. But right now, things are so limited in the store that I basically cook what I have or use the supply that I have. I didn't want to go to the store for bread, and normally the bread that I do have is organic, but the bread I do have is from my husband's lunch. So this is why for breakfast. So on the weekdays when the kids went to school, they would eat breakfast school. Yuck, by the way. And at weekends, my husband would make, he'll go all out with bacon, sausage, eggs, and whatever carb bread and pancake. Or the other day we did fried jack, and now I'm doing tortilla for the weekend. And I love doing my KitchenAid because I hate getting my hands dirty with this mush dough. And so my husband's videotaping me rolling it out, and so I doubled the recipe in order to get enough for 2 days, and hopefully make them a quesadilla for lunch. I think they had enough for breakfast the next day, but not quesadilla. So today I ate one tortilla, but that was it, and I will not eat any more carbs for today. And so a lot of my husband did he flipped the pancake for me. He flipped the flour for me, and he put everything on the for me because I was videotaping. So I just rolled them out. I mixed it, rolled them out. He did the rest. And this is basically your breakfast. And when I did my first plate that I took a picture of, I forgot to put in there sausage and bacon. I'm like, wait a minute, why does my plate seem empty? So this would basically be my plate on the weekend, but without the carb. So with the fried beans as well, we cook the beans during the weekend. Whatever's left over by the weekend, my husband will do fried beans. So my husband normally do breakfast on the weekends. I cook normally during the week and on the weekend. So, but anyways, that's just a quick recipe. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and be safe.